nice and beautiful. So gonna marinate some jerk chicken. As you can see, I have a lot of chicken inside of the bowl. I'll leave the skin them on this time. Wash them off into some white vinegar or lemon juice. Look at this. Natural blending season. Alright, have a lot of spice and thing in it. Hot pepper and everything. 1, 2 tablespoons of it. We're gonna put a little bit of the artificial sorry guys, some jerk seasoning on it. Alright, this one you can get this one in the shop to buy. Jamaican jerk season. One, 2 tablespoons of the jerk season. Some mixed herb. And this is some thyme. White onion. Some garlic. Gonna put a little bit of pepper season. Pepper season is wicked. Little bit of garlic and salt. You don't have to put paprika, but you know what I mean, you can put a little bit on it. All-purpose season. 1, 2. Chicken season, a large tablespoon. That's it guys, that's it. Gonna give it a rub. there is something forgotten. Alright, I have to put on this. Spring onion. Fling this on the grill on the outside. Just marinate up like this. Look at that. That is fabulous. Long time I'm gonna marinate up some jerk chicken. You will see the video how I make it, how I cook it. I mean, it's gonna chuck on the grill outside in the summer. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. And I like them fluffy and nice. Nice one. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, leave this in the pan for it to marinate and soak for 24 hours before I cook it. Beautiful one. Enjoy the recipe, guys, and subscribe, leave your comments. Beautiful. Really nice and lovely. So you might say you want to see how I cook it, but this is my barbecue outside, so definitely I will show you how I'm going to make this one outside in the grill. You know, really nice and lovely. So enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Chef Ricardo jerk chicken again.